Last video I built this 125 4-speed go-kart from a hand truck. But can it do a wheelie? Alright, here we go. What's its top speed? What happens if we put drift rings on the back? Where's the craziest place I could drive this thing to test its limits? Dude, it looks so sick. We have to do this. This thing is freaking sick. I mean, it was so much fun to drive, but I think unfortunately we need to test it a little bit more before we can give it the old Garage Avenger stamp of approval. Now this thing handles pretty damn good considering its high center of gravity and short wheelbase. But I do wonder what would happen if we put these on the rear tires. What are these? Well, they're called drift sleeves or drift rings, and they basically slip over the rear tires to give you no grip at all and a lot of fun. I've never really tried these before, so it's time to give it a go and see what happens. Oh, that's so touchy, man. Now this turned out to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and I didn't know if it was me or the go-kart that sucked, or both. But in the end, I managed to get it. Kind of. Oh, she's getting in on my butt. Oh baby. Oh, that was a lot harder than I thought to get. Just can't get it, like I don't have quite enough steering. Not quite enough steering.
You're close. You had some nice ones.
Some were good,
yeah.
Right? Oh, it's just like, it is super fun though. It's way funner than actually having grip. Oh, my ass is hot though. I was sitting on that engine. Woo! Yeah. Oh, so much fun. Oh. Like, it's just about like throttle control. So if you balance the throttle between the grip, you seem to have more control. If you just flat out, it just wants to spin around. So if you just judge where the grip is, just dabbing the accelerator, it seems to feel like you got a little bit of control, but I think I need a lot more steering angle on this, which I can't do unless I completely modify it. So it's good enough, I think. It's so fun. Dude, I can't wait for you to try it. Just drive it, it's gonna be sick. This is taking it out for a spin, literally.
Yeah.
If you don't spin on the first corner, I'll be surprised, Thomas.
Well, I'll probably not drive very fast. Because to be honest, I'm scared.
You should be.
Yeah.
Let's go! Oh yes, let's go! Oh yes! Oh!
It's actually really, really fun.
Right?
Yeah. Like, without the sleeves, it's fun to drive.
Yeah.
You feel like you're gonna die.
Yeah.
With this one, it's just amazing, and you feel like you have control in the drift.
Kind of,
like,
sometimes.
Yeah, without having practice at drifting, this really gives you a really easy way to do it. That felt so good. That was so fun. I'd pay for this.
Did, right?
Yeah. So, who want to die now?
Right, we have tested the drift sleeves, super fun, highly recommend it to anyone who wants to have a bit of fun in a go-kart, put some drift sleeves on and let her rip. But, talking about letting her rip, I still don't know what the top speed of this thing is. It's geared a little bit average, so I'm hoping to hit 60 kilometers an hour in this thing, which, for this, it's pretty quick. So let's go test that. I've crudely taped my phone with a GPS speedometer onto the steering wheel and we'll see what happens. See how quick we can get this thing. Oh God.
Now the engine was a little cold, so I thought I'd get it a little warm before I give it the full beans. And here we go. Okay, so I hit an amazing 53 kilometers per hour, but I kept on running out of track no matter how I approached the corners. So, we have to take this somewhere else. And luckily for me, there's a private road right next to my test track. 61 kilometers per hour in a hand truck go-kart. This thing is awesome.
Oh dude, that was so sick. I mean, I felt it too. It was pretty stable at high speed. But I did notice, like when you wanted to change gears and you had a little bit of weight back, it kind of felt like it wanted to lift up, which got me thinking, dude, we should just see if it does a proper wheelie. That's why I put the wheelie plate on the back in the first place. I haven't felt it until now. It's probably going to do a wheelie, for sure.
And there I was, a 39-year-old man getting super excited about doing a wheelie in a homemade go-kart.
Oh, that was sick! Ah! That was sick, man! Ah, let's do one more. All right, here we go. Yes, let's go, baby! Oh, how good was that? How good was that? This thing is pretty damn cool, especially considering it's made from a hand truck. There is, though, one thing I've always wanted to do with my creations, and that's drive it somewhere special. And I think this project is the first project I think I can actually do that with. So I've got some plans.
Spiralen. Hidden in the mountains of Norway, Spiralen is a 1 mile long spiraling tunnel that climbs 700 feet over 6 rotations inside a mountain. It's the ultimate drifter's dream. Now, I was pretty excited about this, but I wasn't going to do it by myself because that would be crazy dangerous. So I roped in my twin brother Kieran, who's also my co-host on the Garage Avenger podcast.
What do you think, bro? Dude, it looks so sick. We have to do this. It's pretty nuts. Oh, look at this thing. It's built for doing something crazy. Alright, let's get ready. Think about it, dude. It's like 1.6 kilometers of spiraling tunnel in there.
Yeah,
Dude, it's gonna be sick.
that's so nuts.
I am a little bit worried about that. The cameras. What if I get stuck in the tunnel, man?
I don't know, man. It seems pretty dodgy to me. Are you sure you want to do this?
I think we have to do it. Yeah, I'm a little scared.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I want to do it now. Oh, this is a bit scary. Oh, I have to do this. Grow some balls, Justin. Alright, bro. We're doing it.
You doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope, I can't do it.
What's going on?
The risk is too high, man. Like, this camera's watching us. What if I can die in the tunnel? What if the cops come and look at my life? I can't do it.
I don't blame you, bro.
Oh. Now everyone knows I'm a pussy.
Well, you know, at least you didn't die just trying to drive up a hill in the tunnel.
You're right. Alright, I think we're done. Damn it.
Next time, Sperlin. Next time.